Hello everyone, welcome to Clinical Knowledge in Medicine. Let's learn about abbreviations. BLS, Basic Life Support. ACLS, Advanced Cardiac Life Support, cardiac related to heart. PALS, Pediatric Advanced Life Support, pediatric related to children. AED, Automated External Defibrillator. LPN, Licensed Practical Nurse. NP, Nurse Practitioner. RN, Registered Nurse. OPD, Outpatient Department. CCU, Critical Care Unit or Coronary Care Unit. CICU, Cardiac Intensive Care Unit. ACCU, Acute Coronary Care Unit. CME, Continuing Medical Education. ED, Emergency Department. ER, Emergency Room. EW, Emergency Ward. EMDEX, Essential Medicine Index. EMS, Emergency Medical Services. GP, General Practitioner. ICU, Intensive Care Unit. NICU, Neonatal Intensive Care Unit. Neonatal means newborn. PACU, Post Anesthesia Care Unit. Pre-OP, Preoperative means before surgery. PICU, Pediatric Intensive Care Unit. SICU, Surgical Intensive Care Unit. MICU, Medical Intensive Care Unit. TICU, Trauma Intensive Care Unit. Step down. A step down unit is an area where an intermediate level of care is provided. This means that you don't need an intensive care level treatment, but you are not stable enough to go to a standard floor. They are ranging from surgical step down to cardiac step down. EENT, eye, ear, nose and throat. MD, medical doctor. Post-OP, post-operative means after surgery. Pharma D, doctor of pharmacy. RPH, pharmacist. AHA, American Hospital Association. AHCA, American Healthcare Association. DR, doctor. Medicine. CSD, Central Service Department. HCP, Healthcare Provider. MOH exam, Ministry of Health exam. NCLEX, National Council Licensure Examination. WHO, World Health Organization. ENT, ear, nose, throat. ALT, alanine aminotransferase. APTT, activated partial thromboplastin. AST, aspartate aminotransferase. C&S, culture and sensitivity. CBC, complete blood count. FBS, fasting blood sugar. GTT, glucose tolerance test. H&H, hematocrit and hemoglobin. HCT, hematocrit. IBW, ideal body weight. G, joule, unit of energy. Lab, laboratory. LDL, low density lipoprotein. HDL, high density lipoprotein. LFT, liver function test. GCT, glucose challenge test. BUN, blood urea nitrogen. HB, hemoglobin. ESR, erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Erythrocyte are RBCs. PT, prothrombin time. PTT, partial thromboplastin time. APTT, activated partial thromboplastin time. INR, international normalized ratio. HbA, hemoglobin A. HbA1c, glycosylated hemoglobin. PFT, pulmonary function test, pulmonary related to lungs. RFT, renal function test, renal related to kidney. Hormones, TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, LH, luteinizing hormone, PTH, parathyroid hormone, IG, immunoglobulin, IgA, D, E, IgG and M, HPV, human papilloma virus. PPBS, postprandial blood sugar. UA, urine analysis. CRP, C-reactive protein. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. ADTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. ELISA, enzyme length immunosuppressant assay. GFR, glomerular filtration rate. HBV, hepatitis B virus. Kalapilia. HDV, hepatitis D virus. HAV, hepatitis A virus. HCV, hepatitis C virus. HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. IFA, immunofluorescence assay. T3, triiodothyronine. T4, thyroxine. BMR, basal metabolic rate. BSA, body surface area. CRCL, creatinine clearance. CRCLN, creatinine clearance normalized for BSC, body surface area. KVO, keep vein open. OTC, they are the over the counter. CAT, catheter. CPT, continue procedural termination. MMR, measles, mumps, rubella, combined vaccine. DTaP, diphtheria, tetanus, acellular pertussis. DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus. Combined vaccine means a single vaccine provides immunity against all these 3 diseases. Thank you.